Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get paid on Gumroad. Now, first up, let's go ahead over to our profile right here. In the left panel, click on your profile. Now click on settings. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, go ahead over to the top tab and then just find payouts or payments. So go ahead and click on it. Now, once you're in here, you'll be given a payout schedule or a choice. What payout schedule would you want to use? For example, daily right here, monthly or quarterly. So for example, weekly, the minimum payout threshold should be what? Minimum is 100, all right? As you can see here. But depending on your region, the minimum right here might be different. So from the Philippines, so the minimum is $100 per week or per payout. You can pause your payouts here as well. And then once done, scroll down and then go ahead and add in your payout method. Okay. You can add in your bank account, scroll down, and then just link your bank account from here. Go ahead and add in your BIC account number and type down your account number once more. And then select the account type. If you don't know which account type, just click on what type of account should I choose. All right. Now scroll down. Once all these are filled out, you can now then go ahead and scroll all the way down, check your birth date. And if you want to, you could go ahead and choose to use PayPal. But before that, your account must be marked as compliant. You must have earned at least $100 and you must have received at least one successful payout. All right. So once that's done or once everything is done, you got to click on update settings. And once updated, sometimes there'll be some verification process. Okay. Especially if you connect your bank account. If you got the prompt where it asks you to identify your tax, okay, you just need to provide an SSN or tax ID for the US or a W8BEN for international creators. So I'm going to add in each sale, by the way, is held for at least 7 days before it qualifies to be paid out. And Gumroad processes and releases payments every Friday for all funds cleared by the previous Friday. And if you do have a new account, well, new accounts are subject to an initial review or initial review period of 1 to 3 weeks before the very first payout is released. And there you have it. That's how you get paid on Gumroad. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.